It seems Dubai is always looking for new ways to amaze the world, especially with its architectural designs. Already boasting some of the most awesome architecture like the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, and Palm Jumeirah, one of the largest artificial islands, it seems Dubai wants to push its list of attractions much further. And how exactly Dubai is planning to do that? By building a giant ring around Burj Khalifa. See, Dubai never ceases to come up with mind-blowing ideas, so how exactly Dubai is thinking of building this ring? Let's have a look. This extraordinary plan was proposed by the Dubai-based architecture firm Zenera Space. It's proposed to be a new type of contemporary symbol for the city, a green and natural landmark that serves as a continuous metropolis around Burj Khalifa. Dubbed Downtown Circle, the megastructure, 550 meters high and with a circumference of 3,000 meters, could offer an alternative to the single skyscraper disconnected from the rest of the horizontal urban fabric. The firm recently released pictures and renderings of this state-of-the-art design on its social media. It stated, as a response to the dilemma of how to build densely while retained livability, the Downtown Circle project establishes a sustainable and self-sufficient vertical urbanism. As a singular mega building complex, it aims to create a hyper-efficient urban center that gives back to the environment. The project comes as a response to the continuous rise of the global population and how the fabric of urban centers is changing, especially in Dubai, where rapid urbanization drive has prompted rapid urban growth characterized by skyscrapers and sprawl. The architecture hovers over downtown Dubai and circumvents the Burj Khalifa, drawing the most invigorating views and fresh and clean air from the Sky Park, which forms the central spine of the development. The enormous scale of the structure is broken down into smaller units to create a variety of spaces to serve public, commercial, and cultural programs. The mixed-use project offers a great variety of office and housing typologies, from large office surfaces to living working units, from lofts to townhouses, and from terraced houses to patio living. Downtown Circle is made up of 5 levels and would sit on 5 points, or pillars, embedded into the ground. The massive span of the circle itself would be composed of 2 main rings held together by a continuous green belt named the Sky Park, which vertically connects the floors with each other, creating a connected 3-dimensional urban green ecosystem. The Sky Park will be a place where outdoor climates are created indoors. Different natural scenarios and climates are created inside the continuous Sky Park, forecasting a lively journey for the visitors and residents. They can experience the canyons, sandy dunes, and plants from various floras, swamps, waterfalls, and tropical vegetation of the digital caves, cascades, fruit trees, and flowers of various hues and species together enrich the green ecosystem. As a green lung, the Sky Park seeks to replenish the air with oxygen and intends to incorporate a series of activities and research centers. The Sky Park is integrated with offices, research zones, culture, science, and education, and this spatial hybrid forms a new type of contemporary symbol for the city. A green and natural landmark, a refreshing and exciting stage for people to interact, experience, and learn in contact with nature. In order to give back to the natural environment, the plan includes proposed areas for rainwater, harvesting, and solar power. The design also stores carbon and filters pollutants from the air, in addition to providing sanctuaries for wild plants and food production. The Sky Park within the structure will provide residents with a connection to nature and enable opportunities for outdoor recreation and a healthier lifestyle. Taking into account the coastal development and how vulnerable they are to rising sea levels, the proposed typology explores remedies and proposes a unique urban model in response to this threat. When it comes to transportation, a fleet of suspended peripheral pods transport passengers from one node to another in the downtown circle. These suspended vessels travel through a network of rail at the bottom tier to get to their destination. Those hyperpods can travel at speeds of 60 miles per hour and makes traveling from one point to another super efficient and smooth. The pods also capture a 360-degree view of the entire city. The idea of a self-sustainable city within a city is similar to the Line mega project in Neom, Saudi Arabia. However, Zenera Space's concept differs as it is integrated into the fabric of an existing city, unlike the Line, which is planned to be built in the desert where space is abundant. Looks like the future from the architectural perspective is going to change quite a lot in the coming decades. So what are your thoughts on this giant ring of Burj Khalifa? Comment section is all yours. I'll see you at another time in another video. Stay in the loop.